How to unlock selection on Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to unlock selection in Microsoft Word. If you have been frustrated because you can't edit or select your text in Microsoft Word document, this video is for you. So let's dive right in. So if you're trying to type anything here or you're not able to do so because your selection has been locked, where your text is locked and you can't make any edits or even select it. This could happen because your document is protected or either restricted. So here's how to fix it. So I don't have that error right now, but in your case, you should not be able to type anything. For that, you first need to head over to the review tab, tap on it and see if there is any document restricts editing. So if there is any restrict editing, then you just have to go ahead and unlock this like this. And once you do that, your problem should be fixed. But even if it does not fix your problem, then what you need to do is close your Word. And then from here, you just want to open your Word's location. So search for Word and then right click on it to open your file location. So go ahead and open file location and then right click on it again to open up its file location like this. Now once you get to this page, you will have to find something called your Microsoft Office on top, and then from here you just want to head over to the Office 16 tab and you'll see this file right here, OSP rearm. So you just want to right click on it and then run it as administrator. And once you do that, your problem will be easily fixed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.